That night, in the heart of Chicago, Ethan Reed, a tired supermarket cashier, was finishing his long, quiet shift. The aisles were empty. The hum of lights was the only sound. And then, he saw it, a brown envelope at the corner of his counter. He picked it up and froze. Inside were stacks of crisp dollar bills. At least $10,000 just sitting there. No customers, no cameras, no witnesses. He could walk away right now and no one would ever know. But then, he heard his mother's voice echo in his mind. Ethan, honesty may not feed you today, but it will never let you starve tomorrow. He sat in silence, staring at that envelope. His father's surgery, unpaid rent, growing debts, all flashed before his eyes. For a long moment, he just breathed, torn between need and truth. Then slowly he stood up. He placed the envelope on his manager's desk and wrote a small note. Found near Register 3. Please return to the owner. That night, he couldn't sleep. The same thought haunted him. Did I do the right thing? The next morning, his manager met him with a smile. Ethan, she said softly, a woman came by this morning. That envelope was her daughter's surgery money. You saved her life. Days later, Ethan was called to the regional office. A letter waited for him on the desk. It read, "People like you remind us that integrity still exists." Beside it, a promotion letter and a bonus check big enough to pay every bill. Ethan smiled quietly, unable to speak. That night, as he walked home under the city lights, he realized something. He hadn't lost $10,000. He had gained something far more valuable: respect, peace, and blessings that no money could ever buy.